A life on the open road, from the safety of a bus, seems to please those seeking to escape Colchester for the day. As the Norfolk countryside trundles past, what on earth beckons the travellers north? Surely not Dad's army. Mr. Jones and Captain Mannering were all very interesting, but it's the gardens that attract many to Bressingham. With specimen trees and borders to die for, the Bressingham acres are a delight. "8,000 species of plant will keep any green-fingered enthusiast happily occupied. Well, the blooms may have plants galore, but the further surprise lurks in the bushes. For the steam buffs, this 10¼ gauge loco was built in the Bressingham workshops. Called Annam Bloom after the plantsman who planted the gardens, it hauls 3 passenger cars on the garden line, affording a unique view of the estate. All aboard!
Sorry about that.
We arrive back just in time to say hi to Peppa Pig. Well, I don't know about you, but that left me cold. A steam carousel, on the other hand. How about a ride on the gallopers? Follow that frolic with a little reflective time with the London and North Western Railway Royal Mail van, carrying letters of love and demanding money, letters from aunts and parcels for Jimmy's birthday. Oh, the romance of it. It's not the same today at all.
So this has got padding.
Yeah, you didn't have to have
your postcode or anything.
Yes.
The day ends on the nursery line, a 2-foot gauge railway running for 2.5 miles through a now largely disused nursery, once the site of the Bloom Brothers horticulture activity.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight.